Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Is it a danger to see a lunar eclipse with the bare eyes? Let me introduce myself. My name is Ghina Reysa. You can call me Ghina. I'm from Science Education B. I'm here going to tell you about lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipses have been a favorite event for ski watchers for countless years. They occur when Earth's shadow blocks the sun's light, which otherwise reflects off the moon. There are three types of lunar eclipse: total, partial, and penumbral, with the most dramatic being a total lunar eclipse in which Earth's shadow completely covers the moon. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon will appear bright red in the night sky. During a lunar eclipse, the moon looks red-brown. It may be thought that the moon is completely black because of the Earth's shadow. But no, the reddish-brown color is because some of the sun's light bands struck the Earth's atmosphere and shine on the moon. Reflection is greater for red light rays than for other, so red is what strikes the moon. A lunar eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon. It happens when the moon passes through the shadow of the Earth, which can only occur during a full moon. Lunar eclipses happen about twice a year. Unlike total solar eclipses, they are sometimes more than a year apart. They can be seen from then a year apart. They can be seen from a much larger portion of the Earth compared to solar. Throughout history, eclipses have inspired awe and even fear, especially when total lunar eclipse turned the moon blood red and evacuated the terrified people who had no understanding of what caused an eclipse and therefore blamed the event on this good or that. Below you will find the science and history behind lunar eclipse and see a list of the next one on tap. The moon does not have its own light but shines because its surface reflects the sun's rays. During a total lunar eclipse, Earth comes between the sun and the moon and blocks any direct sunlight from reaching the moon. The sun's cat and Earth's shadow on the moon's capture. It happens when the Earth is between the sun and the moon in the same straight line, so that the sun's rays can reach the moon because it's blocked by the Earth. In fact, during a lunar eclipse, often the moon can still be seen this because the moon by the Earth's atmosphere, and most of these deflected rays have the red light spectrum. That is why during a lunar eclipse, the moon will appear in upper dark. In color can be copper red, orange, or brown. When the Earth shadow covers us of the entire cross-section of the moon, that is when a lunar eclipse occurs, especially when the Earth occupies a position between the sun and the moon and is the same straight line, which to reach the moon because it's blocked by the portion of the Earth at the time. Lunar eclipses are safe to view with just your eyes and also with telescope. The phenomena of lunar eclipse, super blue moon, can be witnessed directly from Indonesia. However, it's dangerous to see a lunar eclipse without tools. The head of information and weather prediction of the meteorology, climatology, and geophysics, Agency Ramlan, said the public need not worry. This is because the lunar eclipse can be seen live. According to him, the lunar eclipse only causes high tides. Sea levels will rise to the attraction between the Earth and Moon because its position is very close to Earth, so the attraction is very large. It could be that sea water will thoroughly hit the mainland, said Ramlan. Therefore, residing living is in coastal areas must be vigilant. He gave an example in Jakarta. There are areas where the land surface is lower than sea level. This area need to be aware of rising sea level during a lunar eclipse with Muara Angke, Selinsing, and Northern Java, said Ramlan. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.